On this particular model, the transmission and crankcase oil are separate. There are two different kinds of oil. To drain your crankcase oil, you would remove this plug, which is located directly under your shifter on the left side of the motorcycle. To remove your transmission oil, the bolt is located behind the engine drain plug, but recessed several inches. For your crankcase oil, there is one oil filter, which is located underneath this cover. Also, your crankcase fill is on the left side of the motorcycle. The transmission fill plug is located on the right side of the motorcycle. For your transmission oil level, it needs to be measured. Most models have the measurement stamped near the fill. This measurement reads 670 cc's. Crankcase oil has a sight window. You want to fill the bike up till it's at the H and run the bike for several minutes until the bike is warm, and then shut the bike off. Ideally, you want the oil level to be in between the L and the H. It is very important when measuring this that the bike is on a center stand and straight up and down. If you measure the amount of oil that it takes to fill your crankcase properly, you can always have that measurement as a referral.